To
Hi ladies, I'm here to do the first video for you to explain the 4-step protocol to wellness that we have been using for about 4.5 years now, based on science that I have provided for you in the blog. And this first video is just going to be very short to tell you that the silicone, we know that the silicone, they used to say, and they still say actually, that silicone is inert, but actually it's bioactive and it is degrading to fungi. And there is an article, the first 3 steps of our protocol are based upon this science and getting rid of the systemic fungi, which we call biotoxin illness, because it grows up biofilms around it, and it can be very difficult to eradicate if you're not educated as how to do that. So the first article that I would like you to go to is called The Chemistry of Fungi and Silicone. This article has numerous research articles in it. I can't remember, 5 or 6 that are proving that silicone is degrading to fungi, and it most assuredly is doing that in a warm, moist environment like the body is why. And getting into the bloodstream, whether you had mold around your implants, it doesn't matter. It's degrading and getting into the bloodstream because those capsules have little veins that run through them and carry that fungi, those fungal metabolites, to the bloodstream. So you need to read that first article called The Chemistry of Fungi and Silicone. You will be very enlightened, and I think that you will never go back to believing that there's anything else that is the root cause really to your illness. And so the first 3 steps of the detox protocol that is on our Facebook group that we welcome you to join, as long as you understand that it's about the 4 steps, would be that article. Educate yourself. Find out why your breast implants are making you ill. The other article, a lot of people will say, oh no, it's not fungi, it's an autoimmune reaction to silicone. Well, I have provided an article for you that has scientific research, and it's called The Role of Fungi in Autoimmune Disease. We all know that breast implants are causing autoimmune disease, and this is the reason why. And you will find the science behind that. And that is the only way we work, just to let you know. That is the only way we work, and that is why we have had such success with this protocol. So you're going to want to read those 2 articles, The Chemistry of Fungi and Silicone, The Role of Fungi in Autoimmune, and also if you will go under the More tab, you will find a link to a VCS test. Now, a VCS test is a visual test because fungi are neurotoxic and they put pressure on the eye. And so you are going to want to take a VCS test. It's not definitive for systemic fungi, but it can be very telling because you cannot see shadings of gray and black in the VCS test. And it'll kind of give you a guide to know whether this is what you're dealing with. So do those 3 things. That's the first that will educate you as to the first 3 steps to our protocol, and you're going to be able to be well on your way to wellness.